the hmm, are you sure about that? If that's really that hard, you should be in the hospital and be getting some CT scan. Hmm.
Iya, mag-work
Can you
tayo.
hold your head there? You didn't tell the nurse, you didn't tell the teacher, you might need, okay, and but that doesn't solve the problem. I mean, you hit your head. Yeah, that will go away. I mean, if there was a concussion or anything that damaged your head, so that won't make it go away, right? Did you? Yeah. Did you tell your mom about it? Because head injuries are really dangerous. I mean, they need to be addressed. And so, yeah, but that won't change anything. Like as I mentioned, for example, if you really hit your head that hard and you needed some, some doctor's attention, right? It doesn't change the fact that you hurt your head and it damaged your current what focus. Yeah, your focus. What? Okay, so then if there's nothing to be worried about, then let's just go ahead with this paragraph. I think there's really much more serious thing that we should be concerned about. It's the stalling of the girl named Cheney. All right. So no. Better than that, you get your eye drop, so you can get some tears. What happened to your index finger? I mean, in the other one. Yeah, it's black. Okay. Were you that bored? Let's go. It's already the 22nd minute. Let's get started somehow. Amen. I thought I remembered you said the last time you will be working really hard this next lesson because you did a lot of advertisements last time. Oh, I should be recording every lesson then. No. We're going to type the entire paragraph. So see here, there are And then you're going to complete that. Complete the transitions. So you start with there are many ways to help the earth. First of all, we can do that by yada yada yada. So here, you can use a chalk box for that. You can send it now, and then work on main point the next one. Good.
I want to play Squidward. Skateboard. Look at the skateboard yun. Doon yung sama ka lang. Parang ipan isang stuff.
Okay, and we can stop right there. We'll have a quick break. Okay. Alrighty, okay. I'll call you back, and I hope you can chill out for a quick break. Bye for now. Ate anak, yung ano mo, yung ulo mo anak, please. Walang tao? Nagbubaba ka ba?
Bababa ako ngayon.
Charger daw, sinabi ni dito.
Ako? Charger? Anong charger?
Type C me.
Yung kay ate,
Type-C?
Pwede kay ate, di ba?
Tingin, kasi nagluloko to charger ko, be. Tingin natin.
Kay ate.
Hindi kasi ano naman yan, fast charging naman yun.
Kay ate.
Hindi nga eh, kasi...
Naka-battery saver.
Ano ba to, be? Ano tawag
Vivo.
yun? Anong model to?
Ha?
Anong model? Samsung, Vivo.
Vivo.
Yung original ka na.
Ah.
Original to na Samsung.
Yung original ka na.
Ate, kuya, ikaw na nga mag-ano, baka ma-ano sa system kasi hindi regular yung mga saksakan. Dali. Dali. Baba mo.
Kaya ka na, Day?
No.
LBS ako yan.
Hindi nag-work.
Na? Hindi. Naawakan mo naman. Hindi nag-work?
Sabi ko na. Wala yung gawin dito, babe.
Eh, hindi kasi naka-fast charge yan. Baka hindi kayanin ng phone.
Kaya ng phone ni babe.
Hindi ko tinatry sa phone. Kasi low-tech yung phone.
Ay, no?
Kaya,
ng phone.
Ayaw nga sa
nalulunod ako. Baka
Kaya
ganun.
naman,
Baka malulunod na siya sa sobrang bilis mag-ano. Sabi niya, teka lang, teka lang.
parang sauce.
Tapos naging...
Hey,
Art
no!
No?
Yeah.
Yan, kuya. Yes, no? Yan, kuya. Kuya. S-E-E. Na. Na. Na.
Ay, anak ko, ba't di ka magdamya?
That's food.
Nakalagay natin doon sa may, doon sa may, kaya. No!
Pagdalo, kuya.
Magganyan ka doon sa tree. Tingnan ko kung susuko sa'yo yung tree. Huwag dyan sa may, ano, sa tree ka magsuntok. Hindi dyan, sa tree.
Sisira yung... Yes, yes. Yes. Jab,
Saan
jab.
nilagay yung, ano? Saan nilagay? Saan nilagay?
Lagyan na lang.
Saan nilagay yung tape?
Kuya, yan na.
Saan mo nilagay yung tape? Saan mo nilagay yung tape? Lagyan mo doon sa brown part.
Ito pang hira. Kakatingan na siya. Uy, tayo!
Yo, lagi na. Hindi ko yan. Di ko ito. Yeah.
Ay, ba't di ka kadyang? Diyan ka shorts ko.
Uy, hindi. Si ikaw.
May shock, makadang na rin. Makadang ka. Wrestling. Kuya, wrestling ka?
Sakit ya imok. Sakit ya bodies.
Makadang na. Makadang na.
Body
Ay!
Wow!
Kuya, makadang na. Alam, iwan sa kanang. Wala.
Kasi ba ako?
Isigaw.
Kaswi na rin.
Laka.
Sabay ko! Three.
One. Go. Higop niya.
Awag na ulit ako.
Siya ka niyo, ano?
Awag na ulit ako.
Kuya, siya ka. Kuya, siya ka. Kaya na ito nagdanugin ako na. Tara, umayong ka. May mo danugin ako sa'yo. Ito na. Wait lang. Pagkakuto. Ang tinakpan mo, di ka sa sine. Sine? Bakit kaya mo ito? Bakit kaya mo ito? Kamu dili mo. Hindi boys. Normal na. Kasi ko na gamit sa ako. Kasi ko na. Tingnan niya. Wait. Hindi naman niya na. Ang bunga na ka. Siyak lang. Ano na? Siyak lang. Siyak lang. Kuya. Kuya, siyak lang. Ano na? Ay, kita ko. Yan. Wow, what is that? 6 trillion? That is so low.
1/6 trillion, 1/6.
1/6 trillion. 1 quadrillion.
Mas mababa yung 1 quadrillion.
Ikaw nga.
Ako, trillion.
Hindi, dito.
Buhatin kita, buhatin.
Diyan, 1 million.
Golden.
Yes. Tapos nagdalagyan ko yung trillion. Ha? Wala na ito iba. Jimmy, what is here? Oh, what is that? Hindi ko alam. Ay, adamo. May factor D. Ano ba?
Ha?
Yan. Kagat lang na battery saver. Kita natin Samsung. Uy, kuya ganit man. Ano, pantay ba natin na mama?
Hello?
Siya.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, okay.
I'm getting the food.
Okay. Let me call you back. Ikaw.
Copy.
Hello. Okay. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen? Okay. So let's continue. Where did you finish a while ago? From driving your car less. Okay, let's have main point 3 and its detail. Yep. Main point 3 with its supporting detail. Supporting detail. Oh, there's that eye mask, gel mask. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. Exactly. So you remember to use the transition. Oh, what's the transition? Here. Like what?